Iron-Deficiency Anemia. 11 healthy iron-rich foods to eat. The lack of enough iron in your body causes iron-deficiency anemia, which is a common type of anemia where the blood doesn't have sufficient healthy blood cells that carry oxygen to the body's tissues. It is caused by not consuming enough iron or losing too much iron. Iron-deficiency anemia is usually treated with iron supplementation. Here, we will provide you with 11 healthy iron-rich foods that you can add to your diet. Number 1. Shellfish. All types of shellfish are high in iron. Oysters, clams, and mussels are the best sources of iron. A 100-gram serving of clams gives you 17% of the daily value for iron. Note that the iron content varies depending on the type of shellfish. Number 2. Organ meats. Organ meats like the liver, brain, kidneys, and heart are very nutritious and have high iron content. Liver in specific will provide you with 36% of iron daily value per serving. Number 3. Spinach. The iron in spinach isn't absorbed very well by our bodies. However, it is also rich in vitamin C, which helps boost iron absorption. One serving of spinach provides you with 15% of the daily value of iron. Number 4. Legumes. Legumes are a great source of iron. 198 grams of cooked lentils provide you with 37% of the daily value for iron. To boost iron absorption, eat legumes alongside food high in vitamin C, like tomatoes and citrus fruits. Number 5. Red meat. Some researchers suggest that people who regularly eat meat are less likely to have iron deficiency. One serving of ground beef provides you with 15% of the daily value for iron. Number 6. Broccoli. Broccoli is packed with nutrients like vitamin C, iron, fibers, and vitamin K. One serving of broccoli contains 6% of the daily value for iron. Are you finding this video valuable so far? Then consider hitting the like button, as that really helps the growth of our channel. Number 7. Turkey. Turkey is a very good source of iron, especially dark turkey meat. And it is a great source of various vitamins and minerals too. One serving contains 13% of the daily value for iron. Number 8. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are not just a great source of iron, but they are rich in several nutrients like magnesium and zinc. 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds contains 2.5 milligrams of iron. Number 9. Quinoa. Quinoa is incredibly nutritious, as it is very high in protein and contains copper, magnesium, iron, and many more nutrients. 185 grams of cooked quinoa contains 2.5 milligrams of iron. Number 10. Dark chocolate. Other than being incredibly delicious, dark chocolate is very nutritious. Only a small serving of dark chocolate would provide you with 19% of the daily iron value. Best consume 70% dark chocolate minimum. Number 11. Fish. Fish is an incredible source of iron and omega-3 fatty acids. Tuna, haddock, mackerel, and sardines are examples of iron-rich fish that you should add to your diet. All of the foods mentioned above are rich in iron. However, some people should limit their iron intake if they have certain medical conditions. Our bodies cannot produce iron, so we need to regularly consume foods that are rich in iron. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video if you found it valuable.